Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and it's going to be my first review video for this channel and myself एकता झा। और मैं आज बात करूँगी एक ऐसे स्पेशल बुक की जो मेरे दिल के काफ़ी नज़दीक मतलब काफ़ी करीब है एंड it also implemented in my real situation like when I was in the hospital when मेरे BP इश्यू की वजह से I was hospitalized and BP बिल्कुल नॉर्मल नहीं हो रहा था. It was around 170, 180 by 100, 110 like that. And that time I remembered this book, the character of this book, and I just calmed down myself and I was like trying to keep calm and trying to be relaxed in that situation कि जब वो इंसान इतना कुछ कर सकता है so why can't I can also keep myself calm and I can be relaxed and that is what helped me. एंड इसके लिए मैंने सोचा यार इस पे रिव्यू तो ज़रूर बनता है एंड फर्स्ट वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ऑन दिस बुक ओनली. तो अगर नए वीडियोस के लिए अगर आपको पसंद आ रहा है ये वीडियो तो प्लीज़ कीप सब्सक्राइबिंग एंड नोटिफिकेशन के लिए भी आप बेल बटन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा. तो चलिए, बुक का नाम है ट्यूसडेज विथ मॉरी. काफ़ी अनोखी काफ़ी अच्छी बुक है एंड काफ़ी पॉजिटिव वाइब वाली बुक है. द बुक इज़ ऑल अबाउट ट्यूसडेज विद मॉरी जिसके राइटर मिच एल्बम एंड बुक में जो मेन कैरेक्टर है दैट इज़ मॉरी स्क्वाड्स एंड ही विल बी अ प्रोफेसर जो कि ALS की बीमारी से डील करते हैं एंड व्हेन ही इज़ इन हिज लास्ट स्टेज लाइक लास्ट 14 Tuesdays he will get to meet his student who used to call him as a coach, the Mitch Albom. वो रेगुलरली विजिट करते हैं वीकली लाइक एवरी ट्यूसडे एंड वो जो 14 Tuesdays होते हैं he will learn his lessons about the life. So कैसे है क्या है obviously you have to go through the book but कुछ हिंट मैं आपको दे देती हूँ जैसे कि as I told he will be in very pressurized like वो भी अपने hard times like career की वजह से या he is not able to give up his time to his loved ones and he will be very pressurized because those days like so many competitions now also we have but those days technology इतना नहीं था. He will be a journalist and he will be going and running around the people and all to take interviews and all. He will be very pressurized under his work and those times he will see his professor who will be in the wheelchair and he will decide to meet him and he will meet only on Tuesdays because other days obviously he'll be having the other works to do. So he'll be meeting him on Tuesdays and those Tuesdays were the best days of his life. This is the the gap between two generations will be filled with the love and with the understanding with each other. हर चीज़ के बारे में किस चीज़ को कैसे डील करना है, how you put it in your life accordingly, everything that will be discussed in this book. And when you start reading the book you will you want to complete that book. It's a best book I will say. It happened with me personally. Once you start reading the book obviously you will keep it on your personal life as well. वो बुक का इम्प्रेशन ही वैसा है. ऑन दिस बुक ऑल्सो देयर इज अ मूवी भी बना है इस बुक पे ट्यूसडेज विथ मॉरी विच इज़ अवेलेबल ऑन द यूट्यूब फॉर द फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. आई विल शेयर अ लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. इफ यू हैडंट सॉ दैट मूवी go and watch it. It's a very nice movie but if you love to read the books I would suggest you first to read the book because movie is like shortcut यार. 1 hour 49 minutes का मूवी है एंड उसमें हर चीज़ आपको इतना डेप्थ में अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं मिलेगा बट अगर आप बुक नहीं रीड करते तो आप आराम से मूवी देख लीजिए. बट इफ़ यू वांट टू रीड द बुक जस्ट गो एंड रीड इट. जितना कनेक्शन जितना डेप्थ जितना डीप आपको बुक में लेके जाएगा ना उतना कनेक्शन आप मूवी में नहीं फील करोगे. एंड बुक इज़ लाइक स्लो प्रोसेस होता है. वाइल रीडिंग द बुक यू विल ऑल्सो फील योर सेल्फ calm and you will feel relaxed and mind will take you in that world. Automatically you start imagining. That is the best thing when you read the book. तो मैं आपको टोटली स्टोरी वगैरह तो मैं नहीं बताऊंगी कि बुक में क्या है क्या नहीं है बट आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू रीड दैट. कुछ एक दो कोट्स है जो मोरी ने काफ़ी अच्छे से कहा है Like Maury said, when you know you're dying, you will start living, and that is what happens when you see the person around you who is dealing with a cancer or tumor. उनका जो लाइफ देखने का जो नज़रिया होता है वो अलग होता है, where we will be struggling with our activities, and we are very busy schedule, and we don't have time for this that, but they will be struggling only for the love, and they'll be giving the love to others. So there's a so much a difference to see the life between us and between them. And this happened with me as well. By the time I was hospitalized, I went in hospital, BP issue and all. Doctor kept me for 5 days, and they were not ready to discharge me because my BP was not coming down. And that time I was just thinking about this guy. What he said, it's actually true. When doctor tells you your BP is not coming down, you have to keep positive, be positive, or else you'll get heart stroke and all. I was very positive from my side that I am fine, and that is what happened. I came back home, and this what you're seeing me, it just happened with 15 years back, the hospital thing. But I read that book before I was hospitalized. Sometimes we should enjoy the process of depending on others, and that is what happens when you'll be working, when you have to deal with so many things. You cannot give time for yourself, but कुछ चीज़ें अगर कोई और कर रहा है आपके लिए, that is fine. You should enjoy the process. You should enjoy your time. You should enjoy your me time. You should enjoy the coziness of your life. You will get a time to do what you want, and that is what it says. You should enjoy the process. When the baby is born, the babies will depend on parents for nursing and all, and that is what happened when we get old. We also have to depend on others for nursing and all. In some situations, everybody will not have that. Everybody will not be that lucky कि ऐसे चलते फिरते they will die. Some people will get time and they have to depend on others. And then he said you should enjoy the process. That is fine. You can nothing do about it, but you have to accept it. And when you accept the things in your life, it will become easy for you. So this is what about today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you are liking the way I'm telling, way I'm explaining to you, or the book which I recommend, or the series or the movies, just subscribe for my channel and press the bell notification as well for upcoming videos and all. And चलिए मिलते हैं next video में आपके साथ. Until then, take care, bye bye, and please read this book as well as watch that movie. It's the best thing you do in your life. Bye bye.